It's Joe Hill from DoneRight Management. I'm at Mountain Joy. We're going to do a quick video tutorial for the Wi-Fi router setting. The actual Wi-Fi is positioned just to the right of the television. So if you have any issues, the default setting in the password for the router information is this right here. So you're looking for the network name. As you can see that there, it's the CGNM, and the passcode is the 2511. But just in case it reset and that information isn't there, on the back of the Wi-Fi, on the box itself, happens to be this information. So what you're going to be looking for, as you can see right here, it's the CGNM. Right underneath it you have the passphrase. And if you want to log into the 5 gigahertz system, which just happens to be a faster connection, the 5 gigahertz is there. If you need a stronger signal for a longer distance, the 2.4 is a better connection. But that's the information right there to actually, if there's a problem, if you're having an issue connecting, our recommendation is going ahead and unplugging the actual router. You let it wait for a few minutes, plug it back in, and usually it should reset itself. However, you are in the mountains. This is McCall. It's a small town, 5,000 feet up amongst the ponderosas. So if there is an issue, which it can happen, then it could just be that there's an outage or the system's down for a bit. So if you're having problems connecting, my recommendation, giving us a call. The phone number in the office, it is 208-634-0030.